How to use multiple Telegram accounts in one device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Telegram application is updated to its latest version. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Telegram application. Now make sure that you're logged in. Now to use the multiple Telegram accounts, what you're going to do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then you can see the arrow down button beside your profile. Tap on that. Here you can see the option of add account. So just tap on it and you just have to select your country over here and give your phone number over here. Just wait for a while until it loads and it will send you a phone for the phone verification, or you can also request an SMS, and after verifying this phone number or this given call number, your account will be added to this Telegram account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.